My day started out normal. It all changed at the drop of a hat. I absolutely was not prepared. My phone rang. Jim called me and he said, "I'm calling on behalf of Bob. He is trying to commit suicide, and I'm reaching out to you for help." I didn't know what to do, and this caught me totally off guard. So long story short of this is that we had a happy ending. Bob got help that he needed. From my personal perspective of this story, after I hung up, I was a complete mess. What did I do wrong? What did I do right? And I needed resources to contact and get help for myself. Until recently, mental health issues have not been in the forefront of the safety profession. We need to develop ways for people to be able to reach out and get that help before that bridge collapses. We need to show the compassion side to mental health. Reach out to that person, know the suicide prevention hotline. That number has changed. It is now just 3 digits, 988. The training and keeping this in our forefront. That's why I think the yearly or annual stand down is key. It's something that we need to have in the forefront of our thoughts so that we can fall back then on our training. The only key that I'm trying to get to is to the safety professional community is make yourself aware, get yourself some training, and be able to provide help when needed.